hanggang alas 6 ng gabi. Para sa katanungan o health concerns, mag-message sa hotline na 0907-2423-907. Again, hotline number 0907-2423-907.
Inyong napakinggan ang programang Hit Edel, Alternative Health and Livelihood, kasama National Chairman Edel Roderos. Abangan muli mula Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 12:30 hanggang alas 3 ng umaga. Hit Edel, Alternative Health and Livelihood. Sumainyo ang katotohanan.
Christmas Day is coming soon. Close your eyes. May your dreams fly you high over the December moon. To sail among stars until you wake up to the day you've waited for. Christmas Day is coming soon.
Is happy to be here. Sing it before Christmas. Member, Catholic News Network o kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Doktor Alternatibo, programang tumatalakay sa alternative medicine batay sa Republic Act 8423 o Traditional Alternative Act of 1997. Tumatalakay din sa imbigsong Pinoy at alternatibong agrikultura. Doktor Alternatibo, the expert in alternative medicine, kasama ang award-winning inventor, Doc Ed Dilibo, a doctor of ministry and alternative medicine at UST Scholar. His formula was awarded and recognized by the Department of Science and Technology, Technology Application and Promotion Institute. Nanalo ng second and third prize as most outstanding creative research and utility modem as anti-hypertensive, anti-diabetic herbal composition, and food supplements that promote good health during Mindanao Invention Contest and Expo 2009, and finalist during National Invention Contest Expo 2009. This said formula was awarded by Intellectual Property Philippines Office, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry as finalist of Ambassador Alfredo M. Yao IT Innovation Awards 2009. Doktor Alternatibo, the expert in alternative medicine.
Welcome dito sa palatuntunang Doc Alternatibo para sa herbal at natural na lunas. Ako po ang gagabay sa inyo para wala nang magtitiis ng sakit.